Habang tumutunog ang gitara sa akin, makinig ka sana. Dumungo ko sa bintana na parang isang harana sa awit na aking sinulat ko kagabi. Huwag sanang
Ayun, tas may nasali yun, diba?
Dahil kahit na wala akong pera, kahit na butas sa aking bulsa,
Happy family trip.
kahit pa maong ko'y kupas na, at kahit na marami dyang iba,
Down.
ganito man ako, wala ka sana sa aking simpleng tao. Lagi kong galangin pagyayabang.
Yes, in the American film. Kasi alam mo, Fort Santiago was really under the influence of Spanish.
Ika'y masusundo, ganito lang ako, wala ka sana sa aking simpleng tao. Lagi kong umaasa hanggang ngayon. Kaya hindi mo naman kailangan ng sagutin ang aking hinihiling. Nais lang maparating, at di na muli pang dadaloy ang luha. Pupunasan ang pusa, di kailangan manghula. Kahit pamasahe lang ang palagi kong dala upang makasama ka.
Diyan yung mag-fishing world yan. Finish mo siya.
Ito lamang ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo na di magbabago.
Init po, guys. We're gonna go down to the dungeon. Dungeon of the Dragons.
Ganito lang ako sa aking simpleng tao. Lagi kong galangin na banang saklono. Kay Spider-Man o kay Batman, kay Superman.
So, trivia lang guys. Namatay yung mga tao dito is not because of hunger.
Because of hunger, not because of lack of livelihood, but because of lack of water, suffocation.
No, according to the...
Yes, it is.
It's not about the water, it's not about the food, it's about the suffocation that they lie from.
There's no any water. Because you can't live without water. Stay hydrated, guys.
Stay hydrated in our park. So here are the sample feature or float that will happen a century ago.
Oh my god!
Vlogger now.
Sa'yo na di magbabago, at kahit na anong bagyo, ika'y masusundo. Ganito lang ako, wala ka
At very skip area po ng at palabas po tayo.
pag-ibig ko sa'yo na di kahit na wala akong pera, kahit na butas sa aking bulsa, kahit pa maong ko'y kupas na, at kahit na marami dyang iba, ganito man ako, wala ka sana sa aking simpleng tao. Lagi kong galangin pagyayabang ko lang sa'yo. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo na di magbabago, at kahit na
Hi, good morning. I'm Linda Flores, an accredited tourist guide of the Department of Tourism. We are here now at Fort Santiago, going around, especially Rizal Shrine and Museum. This is the project of the National Commission of Senior Citizens that gave us the training and seminars to become a tourist guide. Good now because we are earning and we have the money to spend and exercise also because this is a walking tour. That's all. Thank you very much for your students that make it.
sa'yo na di magbabago, at kahit na anong bagyo, ika'y masusunod.
We belong together, baby. Wala ka pa. But we are here at Makati.
So guys, we're here at
Greenbelt 5 and we're waiting for...
Joseph.
So guys, here tayo sa Greenbelt. Hello po, what do you do for...
Ganito lang ako.
Before leaving po, can you stop that? We're gonna look some food rest that we can find. So, ano? Tara? I love it here. So, this is my first time.
Kahit kanino, wala kang maipagyayabang.